In this box lies the best suspension you could get for your Ridstar. This is only 1 out of 5 mods that I'm going to be putting on my Ridstar. Let's start unboxing them. A stem for my Ridstar. And these look actually amazing. There's some nice pro taper grips. A Sur-on fender for the back of my Ridstar. Now let's go to the final thing, the suspension, the thing that we've all been waiting for. If we got some plastic, and you can see we got gold forks. Whoa, look at these. These look so sick. Dang. And they're adjustable. So this is gonna be really sick. So let's start parting out the Ridstar and let's start taking it apart. Let's go. This is all we got for today. I did do some of the work off camera, but we did get the front wheel off, we got the bars off, the stem off, we got the brake off, and basically literally almost everything off. Putting on the Bucklows forks. By the way, if you guys don't know, this is my Racer Max 350 build. Alright guys, we're on the chest mount because my chin mount broke. Now we're about to go record the rest of this video. Anyways, let's go. Alright, so we're here and we're going to be making a jump. We already have these jumps, but we're going to be making them bigger so we fly farther. Anyways, let's go. I'm going to skip to when we're halfway done with the whole jump. Let's go. Alright, this is what it looks like so far. It actually is going pretty good. It's going to be really, really steep, but you're going to get pretty good airtime. Anyways, I'm going to update you on when we're almost finished. We're almost done. Right now we have to go and flatten the jump a little bit. Okay, we're gonna be sending the first jump. Go. Oh, that's a good one. All right, we're on the road. You know how fun that is, bro? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace out. They can smell the legacy.